in the question given data is, it is saying that there is a simply supported beam. So assume that this is a simply supported beam. Now this beam is resting on two supports. So on the left end there is a hinge support. So this is a hinge support, and on the right end there is a roller support. So this is a roller support. So these are two supports by which the beam is resting. Now in the question it is saying that on this beam there is a point load whose value given, that is 800 Newton, and this point load is 2 meter from left end. So this distance is 2 meter, and in the question this distance also given, that is 1 meter. Now other information is given, that it is saying that the value of EI